A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. So a week ago, siyakhumbula ukuthi Umpilo graduated, and ku graduation ceremony yakhe, there was the presence of Uma Khumalo, Thobile the biological mother, and No Umseleku. So Nyalo Umseleku took it on his media page la khona a congratulator Umpilo for her achievement. Wati as follows: Congratulations Mpilo for your achievement and hard work. We both know that Makhumalo, you're from the Mseleku side, has done a great service in ensuring that you succeed. Thank you, Makhumalo, for job well done. Haibo, what Mseleku is doing is quite unfair towards the biological mother of Mpilo, because kokucala nje lana ku-caption yakhe kude la mbala khona kokucala singakayekutheni akamniki any sort of recognition as umfati lo wamfandela umntwana for 9 months wakhula wafika la kulesigaba lesi. Siyavuma ukuthi yes, naMakhumalo has done her part. So both these women empilweni yaBhilo, they honestly make a difference, because without uThobile the biological mother, uMpilo ngabe akekho. So why is she not given credit? So siyavuma futhi nokuthi yes, thina lesikubonako balandzeli sibona kakhulu uMakhumalo aba-active empilweni yaMpilo. That's because phela the biological mother yaMpilo is not part and parcel of his thembu. Rumors have it kokuthi yena wala kuba emtini wesithembu, and then apparently yena naMseleku they are not in good terms, abakhulumisani ngisho nokukhulumisana kushiwo njalo. Kodwa uMakhumalo has been very humble throughout the process. Siyababona bahagene na the biological mother, and uMakhumalo man she's a chilled person, sengathi nje inkosi ngamanzisela. So ubantu nje had so much to say. Lomunye uzowasho ukuthi mhlawumbe uMakwamphilo is not given any credit ngoba yena kanamali, ngoba she's not a public figure. That is very wrong. Lenvo Umseleku la intilo. Umseleku has a very funny way of addressing Tindo man. Lomunye uphinze futhi uyangena uyasho ukuthi hayi phela aloku sola amposter ambongelela ngalolu hlobo leli. It's because of le statements sakhe le wasikhuluma la khona athi yena ya uMakhumalo la emagcekeni akamseleku uyenda into la ngakateli yona, lokhu la kutele kuyamhlula, implying ukuthi uMakhumalo is unable to give a birth.
So this is the original picture. Siyambona ukuthi Mseleku ukrope out the biological mother of Umpilo. Yena bangativa njani if Umpilo were to crop out uMakhumalo kanye naye la kulesithombe? Would that not cause a hatred within themselves as family members? Kodwa he was able to do it to umfati lothwele Umpilo for a full 9 months. We really don't care about their personal vendetta or history whatsoever. Kodwa Umseleku, honestly speaking, has ruined the moment lena for bantu labanyindi.
Sengathi Makhumalo alongside with the biological mother bangachubeka babe nobudlelwane lobunhle.